Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool brand refrigerator freezer and you're getting an E0 error on it and you're wondering what is this error and what do you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, if you're getting this error, you're probably also noticing something else, which is you have an ice maker and your ice maker is not making ice. Because the E0 error is exactly that. It's a fault in the ice maker. So there's a couple things that you want to do to get this thing working again. There's really three things that you can do. Number one is you want to make sure it's getting water. So make sure that the water line and everything is flowing to it properly. The second thing to do is to actually do a reset on the ice maker. I don't have it in this this freezer, but I actually have a video on here if you look it up, how to reset a Whirlpool ice maker. It's real easy. Underneath there's a reset button. You might have to move some stuff to get access to it, but you just press and hold the reset button on your Whirlpool ice maker. And then the last thing that you can do is if you just defrost, it's a little bit annoying, but just do a full defrost. So you got to take everything out, turn the refrigerator off, and just let the whole thing warm up, because ice can build up in weird places, not even in the freezer box, like in the walls behind when there's condensation, and can prevent things from working properly. But anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.